has defeated South Africa by 7 wickets at Newlands, Cape Town. This is the first victory for Team India at Cape Town, Newlands. New era for Team India. What a scintillating victory by Team India. Completely dominated South Africa, thrashed South Africa and annihilated South Africa. And what a beautiful spell by Jasprit Bumrah today morning. What a delightful spell. I think this is the fastest ever test match ever played in the history of the world cricket. Fastest test match. Within 1.5, not even 1.5 day has been passed. This test match didn't even pass 5 sessions. And the test match has been completed. Totally, how many wickets has been fell down? 33 wickets has fell down. 33 wickets has fell down, and this has been a comprehensive victory from Team India. What a dominating performance by Team India right from the ball 1, where Mohammad Siraj has absolutely annihilated South Africa. 55 runs all out. From there was no looking back. There was absolutely no looking back. Yes, there was a collapse in the first innings when Team India was batting. From 153 for 4, they became 153 all out. Yes, there was a slight bit of panic, but after that today morning, Bumrah ne pura hakka pakka karke pura uda diya. Pura gira diya dosto. Pura uda diya pura. South African batting lineup ko. Yes, Markram has played a brilliant innings, but that drop catch by KL Rahul didn't prove to be that much of costly. It didn't prove that much costly, since Markram has scored only 20 or 30 runs. He has scored from there, from that drop catch. 74 he has made, 104 runs he has made. 30 runs extra they have given. But it didn't prove to be massively costly, as India has wrapped up the match. What a scintillating spell by Jasprit Bumrah. Today morning, one line and length is bowling outside off stump, and South African batsman, that guy, outside edge, goner. Jansen tried to hit, caught and bowled, out. Another one, he tried to hit it over mid-wicket. Rohit Sharma has caught it, missed time. Then Maharaj's wicket also superb, and last NGD's wicket also superb. So today only he has taken 5 wickets. He has dismissed 5 batsmen, and then yesterday he has taken 1 wicket. 6 wickets he has taken. So Bumrah has taken totally in this match 8 wickets he has taken, and Siraj has taken in this match 7 wickets. So 15 wickets from Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Siraj. 15 wickets they only has taken. They are the match winners, dosto. Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Siraj are the match winners. Seriously, are superb. Actually, bowlers has won us this match. Batsman still is looking patchy and everything, but bowlers has won today match. I told yesterday itself, bowlers ही हमको match बचा सकते हैं. Seriously guys, amazing bowling performance by Bumrah and by this guy Siraj, but well fought innings by Markram. He played really exceptionally well. If he was not there, if he would have not scored century, then South Africa would have got an innings defeat, because he has scored a century. Second highest score was 12 or something. So he is the highest run scorer. If he would have not hit a century, then India would have not bat second. Means India would have won within an innings itself. So what a scintillating bowling performance. That shows our bowling performance. Absolutely brilliant. If KL Rahul would have caught that catch, maybe 30 runs less we would have been chasing in the 4th innings. But anyways, right from the ball 1, we have been absolutely dominating here. We have been absolutely dominating. Siraj, what a bowling spell he has bowled, and this series actually deserved a finale. This test match series deserved a finale actually. 3rd test match was very much required. I don't know why they played ODI. That ODI series was a complete waste of time. अभी साले वर्ल्ड कप हार के आए हो, तो ODI घंटे किसको खेलना है यार? ODI किसको खेलना है? लौड़ा भी नहीं खेलना है यार. तो ODI क्यों खेला? Instead of ODI series, they could have kept another test match, 3 match T20 series, and 3 match test series would have been absolutely brilliant. This series actually deserved a finale. What a scintillating performance. What an improvement. From first test match, it was a humiliation. Second test match, they have played really well. Seriously, especially the bowlers, Jasprit Bumrah and this guy, Mohammad Siraj. Prasidh Krishna, he has played his last test match for Team India, and hopefully he gets out of Team India forever. This Prasidh Krishna, absolutely pathetic bowling. 1 over he has given 20 runs, and that Markram has hit him for a 6. That ball went out of the stadium and ball had to be changed. That ball was rock solid and hard. Okay, that Kookaburra ball was rock solid and hard. That ball was out of the stadium. They replaced it with a softer ball. So it was nuksan for Team India also. It was nuksan for our bowlers also. It was nuksan for our team management also. It was nuksan for our captain also. It was nuksan for our fans also. So such type of bowlers should be kicked out and should never be brought back. Mohammad Shami should come back and this Prasidh Krishna should be simply kicked out. That's it. Nothing. No discipline. No line and length, no confidence, run up also patchy, bounce also nothing he has, pace also shata, nothing he has. So he's a complete waste. Dinda Academy bowler. Worst bowler ever is Prasidh Krishna. In such a pitch where ball is swinging like and it's giving uneven bounce. He's giving 20 runs in a single over. So it's completely unacceptable. Completely unacceptable. First 2 innings also he didn't do any shit. First test match also he didn't do any shit. So Prasidh Krishna out. That's it. Zero improvement. No improvement whatsoever. I don't know what Rahul Dravid is doing with him. So such type of players should not play for Team India anymore. Better bowlers are there. Mukesh is far better bowler than him. Mukesh at least has a decent line and length. He has good swing also. Both the ways he can swing also. Yes, he is a little bit costly. Definitely. But he has some rhythm. He has some rhythm in his bowling. And he has some grip in his bowling. This Prasidh Krishna, no improvement whatsoever. No rhythm, no improvement. Line and length also pathetic. Uneven bounce also nothing he is getting. Even tailenders are playing him really well. So he was the only person who didn't improve in the whole team. He is a liability. And another liability is Shreyas Iyer. When he learned to play short ball, God only knows. But anyways, we have won the match. Yashasvi Jaiswal improved. From the first innings, he got a duck out. Today he came with an aggressive approach. Really good improvement by Yashasvi Jaiswal. Like this, he should play continuously. He's a really good player. Yashasvi Jaiswal. I think he's a T20 and limited overs player, but test cricket he has to improve a little bit more. But today he came with a right approach. He played really well. Rohit Sharma also superb batting. Virat Kohli also 18 runs. Total was very less. Shubman Gill also 10 runs they have hit. They have done their role, that's it. Target was too low. So they just finished it off with the boundaries itself. Boundaries and singles, doubles only they have finished off. That's it. But the main credit has to go to the bowlers. The bowlers has bowled out of the skin, especially Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Siraj. They have taken totally 15 wickets this match. Out of 20 wickets, they have taken 15 wickets. So salute to Jasprit Bumrah, salute to Mohammad Siraj. They have just out-bowled South Africa and sent South Africa back in their den, that's it. And they have created history. This is the first time we are winning at Cape Town. At Newlands we are winning. Our track record is not at all good here. Okay, so we are winning here. It's a new era for Team India. We have to improve our batting a little bit, but the bowlers scintillating, that's it, scintillating. Superb, yeah, superb. Yes, there was a mini collapse in the first innings that could have been avoided, but no problem, it didn't impact much. So hats off to the bowlers. Congratulations Team India, series 1 all. Now it deserved a finale here. This match deserved a finale. We should have played a third test match. It deserved a third test match. What a series it has been. Superb.